Good day. This is Jake Pomperada, PhD TM candidate. I would like to welcome my panelist. So in this video demonstration, I would like to show you how my proposed system works. The title of my research study is Hybrid Learning Model Based on Machine Learning. My system right now is connected online with the following URL or Uniform Resource Locator in the internet. It is a subdomain in my website in csab.jrpomperada.com, and then my system can also runs locally in a local area network in school. So in this page, this is the login page for the admin. So the admin is it refers to the program head that will give load to their teachers and the registrar. So we have here sample username and password, and then I will click for login. So as we can see in this dashboard, we have here sample data. Number of students, we have 20. In this example, we have one student, total courses 1, which refers to our BSIT or Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. In total subjects, we have 4. So this is the dashboard. So in the dashboard, I apply the machine learning in this graph. Forecasting or predictions of retention annual forecast of number of students in teachers through the years for the next 8 years, no, from 2022 7 years rather to 2028, no. So I use machine learning library to predict, no, so the retention forecast of the teachers and then the students. Now these predictions with the use of machine learning helps the school to improve its way, no, to retain the enrollees, no, on several colleges at Colegio San Agustin, Bacolod, by providing intervention and checking of the students, no, that they will still continue their study at Colegio San Agustin, Bacolod. And then in the dashboard also we can see, no, here the number of enrolled students first year, second year, third year, and fourth year in this graph, no. This pertaining to my sample data, the BSIT students, no. So we can adjust here for student admission. Let's say I would like to change this one. We have several dummy data here. Why is it we have dummy data? For data privacy, we can select edit. Let's say we change this one to 4th year and then click update. When we go back to our dashboard, it will update here the 4th year. Okay, we have here example of 10%. Now here I have also here the enrollment prediction by school year. So previous 2022 2023. So there is an from 2022 it predicts there is some increase and decrease of enrollment, no, predicted by the system using machine learning. So this enrollment can help the school to improve its marketing program to encourage students to enroll in Colegio San Agustin, not only in BSIT course but also other courses offered by the school. So we have also here courses. So we can add courses here if we want to add. In this example, we have Bachelor of Science Information Technology. We can edit or delete. And then we have also here subjects that is being uh, uh, assigned, provided, no, by the program head and the registrar, no. So by click the add button, we can add a subject here. Let's say S12 C 401, and then I will type system integration and architecture 1. When I click the submit button, we have here this subject that is being added in our system. We can edit. Okay, so we can delete also, no. So this functionality will be improved, no, because the system is quite very big, but at least we have already here the workflow of the system. We have also the teachers here. Okay, we can add or delete teacher, and then we have also students enrolled in the course, no. So we can edit the record of the student. We have sample data here. Okay, let's say last name, first name, we add Grace, Mona Grace. Okay, so it already updated, no, this one, Mona Grace, Jacob Mona Grace. And then we have also here view terms and manage subject, no. We can add subject here. So student admission, whether the student belong to first year, second year, third year, and fourth year. Teaching load, we can add teaching load for the teachers. It can be done by the program head and to give to the prospective faculty, no. View terms. Okay, so basically this is the overall functionality of the admin page, no, or the dashboard. So we can log out if we have done. So let us go to the teacher page, no. So again, my system is online. So we have here the sample username and password. Click the login page. Now in the teachers page, we have a dashboard here. Let's say the teacher is Whiteman Weeman. Total number of students, we have 73. Total subject load, we have 3. Total level handled, 3. Total section is 8. Now in this portion, I integrate also the machine learning and quiz outcome predictions. So what is good about this graph, it enables the teacher determine how the teacher can check whether the score of the students can improve depending on the difficulty level of the quiz. So it can help a lot on the part of the teacher to check, no, the future outcome of the quizzes, and then him or she can improve his or her teaching strategies to improve the scores of the student. In this portion of the graph, we have also here the student that has no mobile phones. As one of the panelists suggested, because my study is hybrid learning model based on machine learning, those students who does not have, in this example we have 17% of the students can use the system at the computer laboratory of the school at Colegio San Agustin, Bacolod. Those student does not have internet connectivity at home or mobile devices like phones, laptops, or even computers, so they can opted to learn in or use the system at the computer laboratory of the school. So we have also here student that get a high grade, no. This is just a sample data based on quizzes, um, exam, class participation. Again, I'm using dummy data because of data previously low that we have. And then we have also here performance, no, analysis, no, the students based on male and female, which of the gender has a better performance. Again, this is like for analysis, no, there is no gender discrimination here whether the student is male or female. So we have also here that attendance, select subject, so we can record attendance here if we want, no, present, absent, current date, student ID, and then we go to quiz assignment, assessment. So let's say we will select this one. We can create a quiz here if we want. Okay, so let's say for example here today, okay, let's say 8, and then we have also here today also the time is 8 a.m. quiz title, let's say basic computer concepts, just for example. Okay, basic computer concepts, click here, select item, so item, and then we can create question here, assuming, no, let's say for example common input device in a computer system. Let's say we have here keyboard, mouse, scanner, and then printer. Save. When we click the save, we have the correct answer, that is the keyboard here. Save question. Okay, if we want to add another question, click show item, update question, click new create question to add another question. Let's say what is an example of word processing software? Another example, let's say Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, Photoshop. This is just an example. Select Word, save question. Now let us go back now to our total. We have 2 questions. The status is ungiven. Okay, so quiz, go back to our quiz. So again, so if we want to give the quiz, we just click this button, this one, the quiz assessment has been given. Let us go to the student page. Let us log in here. Okay, so in the student page, we have here the subject performance, no, of the subjects of the student enrolled. In this example, we have here Tanner, Colpin Tanner, and then we have the student that in the class, no, John Smith, that has a higher grade, no. So we have the course of the student, year section, total subject taken, and an assignment. In the subject, click the subject. We have here the sample course, no, CB M1101 Business Process Management Quiz and Exam Assessment. Let us click, and then we have here the previous quiz that Tanner, no, the student Tanner got. The first one is history of computers. Example, we have 4 items. The student got 2/4 done. And then we have created a new quiz, basic computer concepts, and then 0 up to 2, no. So click the get quiz so that the student can get the quiz. Okay, so example of word processing software, let's say Word. Click the save and proceed to the next question, and then father of modern computer, Charles Babbage. We have also here Oracle, save. What is the fastest computer in the world? Supercomputer. Okay, so recorded, no. So the score here is 1/2, no. Quiz assessment has been answered. Actually, I can still improve, no, the functionality of the quiz assessment and exam assessment, no, so that it can be improved still. This system is still in development. Okay, so we go back to the dashboard. Okay, so this is the basic dashboard of the student, no, for Colpin Tanner. So that's it, no, that it's the we can log out here for the student account, and then we can go back, no, to the admin. Okay, so we have here the retention annual forecast and number of student, no, that apply that application of machine learning. Okay, that's it, no. This is the end of my system demonstration about my proposed system entitled hybrid learning model based on machine learning. Thank you so much for watching. If you have some questions, I'm ready for your questions.